Thank you, sir.
Very, very proud of you. The entire nation is proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
You lifted our spirit. Christ took the old generation, and we are all very, very happy.
Thank you, sir.
You'll be celebrated, and I congratulate all the coaches and the management of the team, including the ministers and the officials.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, sir.
My very, very best regards to Rashida. Very good, and I want to give penalty kick. That's a very courageous exercise.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
God bless you, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President.
To send to the 10th record of victories is not a very small thing
Yes, sir.
for the country
Yes, sir.
and the continent as a whole. Very proud of you. Safe journey home. Enjoy yourself. Avoid injuries. God bless you.